Let's talk about AI and freedom. Is it freeing us? Is it holding us back? Is that something that we can do something about? Well, the first step is to talk about it. This is why we're having this week in AI Goddesses a discussion about AI and freedom. We're going to talk about what AI has freed us from, what it has freed us to do, and whether it has become somewhat uncomfortable comfort zone for us, and what we can do about that. So we're going to talk about it, we're going to discuss, so stay tuned. Welcome to the AI Goddesses weekly activity. This week our activity is a discussion. We are the AI Goddesses community. If you don't know what this is a community for women to learn AI in a supportive sisterhood, in a fun, playful way. We think about it as AI as a lifestyle. It's here with us everywhere we see it, and we can collaborate with that. I'm the founder of this community. My name is Faye. I'm an AI educator. I used to be a software architect, and I really felt there is a need for us to support each other in this learning, since AI can seem so overwhelming sometimes, especially when we start out. The AI Goddesses community is a global community. We have these weekly activities online in the video that you're watching right now, and in local chapters hosted by wonderful women around the world. And showing this video, doing this activity with us. So if you're in a local chapter, you're gonna discuss this soon with your friends there. And if you're not and you're watching this online, you're welcome to discuss it with your friends or have an internal reflection. So let's get into it. Let's talk about AI and freedom. We're going to divide it into 3 topics today. What has AI freed us from? What is AI freed us to do? And let's talk about comfort zone. Let's start. Let's start with our first topic today. What has AI freed you from? What is the annoying tasks that you don't have to do anymore? What has it stopped you from procrastinating? What is it now so easy for you to do because of AI? This is such an amazing aspect of AI, being able to free us from the tasks that we find annoying or draining in an easy way, in an accessible way. And this allows us to create so much more, to do the things we love so much more, and to have less emotional heaviness in our day-to-day, because we now don't have to do these draining tasks. For me, emails is one of my big ones. I don't love writing, and every time I would get a message, it would take me so long to go down and sit and type back the answer, just because, writing my words like this for a professional email is not what sparks my joy. It's not the thing that is like, oh, okay, no problem, I got this for me. No, it actually drains me. And it might be silly. Maybe your thing is also small or seems silly, but it's not. It has improved my life so much. Just that I now can have AI rearrange my words in a comfortable way for everyone to understand when I need it, when I don't have the time to think about it, when I need a little break. So here's my question to you. Is there something that you used to struggle with that AI made it so easy that it surprised you? Let us know, please discuss. Well, the second topic today is what has AI freed you to do? Not what it freed you from, but what it actually gave you the ability to do that you couldn't before. What is suddenly possible for you that you might have lacked the skills to do, or the confidence, or the time, or maybe it just didn't exist before. For example, for me, the AI Goddesses community is something that AI freed me to do. I'm working on it a lot by myself, and this is something that would take a team usually, and this is many things that I didn't have the skills to do, and without AI I couldn't be opening this community and reaching all of you, because, for example, I'm not very good at content writing, and AI has helped me so much to write my content and to post more on social media and to create graphics and to do so many things that really enabled me to do this wonderful passion project. And it's one of my favorite things that AI has freed me to do. So my question to you now is, what are you doing right now that you couldn't do or you wouldn't even try to do before AI? What has AI freed you to do? And if you have a cool project, please share it with us in the group. For our third and final topic, let's talk about our comfort zone. Has AI become too comfortable? Well, while AI can do so much for us, there is a risk sometimes of going to AI for comfort instead of doing something that might be difficult but meaningful for you. It's giving us the freedom to come to it for anything, but is it real freedom if we come to it even when it's not helping us? This is a moment for us to reflect on when is going to AI first or instead of doing something else might actually be holding us back, might be hurting us, like maybe starting a conversation with AI, talking about something because you're too afraid to talk to the friend that you need to talk to. This might be a good point for us to stop and think maybe this hard conversation is better for me than talking this through with my AI. When I go and I want to use AI to do a complex system, for example, a complex task, because it's so easy to just go and ask the AI, do this for me, I sometimes skip the part of actually understanding first what was my intention, what did I actually want. And this, I noticed, resulted in more confusion, more time that I spent going down the wrong direction because I was confused about what I wanted. I never defined it. I never structured it. And then it led me down a path that was not helpful for me. And while it is hard for me sometimes to go and sit on this system, I can see how important it is. And instead of coming to AI to do the system for me, I will come to AI to help motivate me to sit and do it myself. Because I need to think first, I need to understand my intention. And we can see that in all kinds of AI interactions. I wonder what is yours? So my question for you on this topic is there something in your life that you noticed that going to AI first with it was actually more confusing, less helpful, maybe got you stuck? Maybe you just feel like this little misalignment somewhere in the back of your mind. This is a sign for us that we're in the AI comfort zone. So take a moment and think about it and discuss and think about what can you do to change that. Maybe using the AI to motivate you, like me, instead of doing the work for me and doing it very wrong, you know. So take a moment, think about it, and let your AI comfort zone be a supportive comfort zone and not a limiting one. This was our AI and freedom discussion. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a great time and an interesting reflection. You're welcome to tell a friend about us. I'm sure there's a friend that would love this. And join us next week when we do a different activity. I will see you next time. Oh, and check out our resources. We have tons of resources in the website, in the AI Goddesses website. You can see their updates about our next events and cool tools that I recommend and a bunch of stuff.